Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Yesterday, Google published their another powerful model, Gemma 4, and in this video, I will show you how you can use Gemma 4 inside Claude Code. And here you see that we can set the Haiku model or Sonnet model or Opus model to Gemma 4. And I will recommend you to use this Gemma 4 model instead of Haiku because Haiku is the Claude model which is for any kind of small task and everyday task, and instead of that Haiku you can use this Gemma 4 because its price is less than the Haiku, and also it has the multimodal ability and also agentic capability. Yesterday I made a video on this Gemma 4, and this was the video, and there I already told you about this model in detail, what were the benchmarks and why this model is actually a game changer. So in a short summary, if I tell you again, they have built this Gemma 4 model on top of this Gemini 3, and this model also have the maximize intelligence per parameter capability, and it is completely open source. You can download it from Hugging Face or Ulama. So if you scroll down below and go to this performance section, there you will find this elo score. Normally what happens that if any new model comes to the market, then they compare this model with the other models based on predefined benchmarks, like for video reasoning and normal reasoning like MMU Pro and GPQA Diamond, and also software engineering purpose SW bench verified. There are different benchmarks are there, but this elo score is totally different from them. So ELO score is basically for the human voting system. So if you give any task to different model, then these two model give you the answer. And if you find that model A have given the correct answer or the expected answer in a better way, then you will vote for the model A. And whenever you will vote, then you will see the model name. So this is basically the ELO score system, and they have found that this Gemma 4 uh, 26 billion and 31 billion model is performing well than the Queen 3.5. Here you see 397 billion, and also performing well than the Queen 3.5 122 billion. So 26 billion or this 31 billion, such a small model performing well than the 122 billion, and also it is giving the kind of same performance like the GLM5 and Kimi K 2.5. So it is very recommendable for this purpose that you should definitely use this Gemma 4 model for your everyday task purpose or multimodal purpose or this coding and agentic purpose. So that's why I will highly recommend you to use this Gemma 4 model instead of Claude Haiku. Now the simple setup that I will recommend everyone to use the Jan. Okay, it is completely free, guys. Just go to this jan.ai and download this Jan desktop app for your operating system like Windows, Linux, or Mac. Okay. By the way, guys, I am not promoting this Jan. I just found helpful. That's why I am recommending it. Okay. Now, after downloading it, install it. The simple process next. You have to install it, and after that, you have to open it. So after opening it, on the left hand side you will find this settings option. So go to the settings. Okay, go to the settings, and after that you will find this model provider section. So you can go to this model provider and select this Gemini. Okay, and after that here you will find this API key. Guys, one thing, you can use it through open router, but through open router you have to pay, and if you use it through Gemini official provider, then you don't have to pay now because if you go to this pricing section of this Gemma 4, what they have written that for the free tier you will get access free of charge, and for paid tier there is no information. That's why I am recommending it that to use through the official provider, because if you go to their Google AI Studio also, and there if you see that Gemma 4, for the Gemma 4 there is no pricing information. So I think it is completely free now for the time being. So as there is no information, you should definitely use it through official provider. Okay, now paste your Google AI Studio API key here. How to get that? I have given the link in description. So just go to that link and you will find, let me show you, you will find this page API key. So on the right hand side you will find this create API key, and click on that, and here choose an imported project, choose anyone, or click on this create project and create one, and give a name here. After that, click on this create key and you will find this line item, and now click on this create key. Okay, and you will find your API key here. Now copy this API key and paste this API key here. Okay, now after you paste it here, you will find this refresh button. Just click on this refresh and you will find all of the models here. Okay, now on the left hand side you will find this integration. So here you see that Claude Code is present. Select this Claude Code, and here you see that I have selected this model GLM5 and Minimax M2.5 for the Opus and Sonnet. Okay, so if I just make it large and just close this, here you see that for the Opus I have selected it for the GLM5, and for Sonnet I have assigned it to the Minimax M2.5, and for small model Haiku I have assigned it to this Gemma 4 31 billion parameter. So if I just place myself on the left hand side, I hope it will be clearly visible to you. And here you see, if you search this Gemma 4, okay, Gemma 4, then you will find this Gemma 4. Okay, so 31 billion parameter you can use it, otherwise you can go for this 26 billion parameter, right? So in this way you can do the setup, and after your selection is done for different model, then click on the save and enable. Okay, when you click on the save and enable, you will see that pop-up will be appear on the right hand side corner that your setup is done, and here you see please try relaunching the Claude Code in a new terminal window. Another thing is that if you want to route this Opus and Sonnet to any other provider like GLM5 or Minimax M2.5, so for that I have already made a video. If you go to our channel Code Digit and just write Jan here in the search option and press enter, then you will find this video, that Jan plus Claude Code integration. There I have already shown you the full process step by step, that how you can assign this Opus to any other model, Sonnet to any other model, and also this Haiku to any other model. Okay, okay, so our setup is complete. Now we will test it. So for that I will open this Claude, and for that let me go to any project. So let me open this one, CMD, and inside it I will write Claude. Okay, I am relaunching it, Claude, press enter, and here you see that Claude. Now if I write slash model, okay, and press enter, here you see there's Sonnet, Opus, and Haiku. Now for this Haiku, if I just select this Haiku, and here you see model, set model to Gemma for 31 billion parameter. Now if I just write simply hi, then you will get the response. And this model is also very fast. And here you see, hello, how can I help you today? Okay, and now you can do the communication with this model for your specific purpose. Okay, for non-technical or technical, for coding or any agentic help, you can continue the communication. Okay, so this is the whole setup of using Gemma 4 model inside Claude Code, and please use the Jan AI, Jan desktop, because it is very easy to do the setup with this Claude Code. Okay, and also I am making another video that how you can use it inside OpenClaw, and this is the another video that I will publish. If you want that, please comment down below that how you can use the Gemma 4 inside OpenClaw. Okay, I previously thought that I will include that setup also in this video, but later I found that the video is getting very lengthy, so that's why I will make a separate video for that OpenClaw and Gemma 4 integration. Okay. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, and if you want to get this type of latest update, latest setup on this AI, what is happening, what is getting published, please make sure you like this video also and subscribe this channel to get all of that updates. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.